I heard the Doux has a new phone. We finna go see if we can find it. Wally World. Hopefully I can find this phone at the very first store that I go to. I really don't have time to go to 17 different stores. I just don't. Not today. I do not. So hopefully I can find it the first store that I go into so I can finish off the things that I need to do today. I have about 2 hours left in the day. 2 hours. Sad. I'm so sad. So sad. Let's go see. Just immediately stop everything and get it. I'll be back for you. Do you know what this is? Of course you don't. Why would you? But that's okay, I'll tell you. This. The moment I saw that my favorite brand had come out with a new styler, and that styler just so happened to be a phone or a mousse or something of that nature, and my favorite styler of theirs just so happens to be a mousse. Oh, I am excited. I am so excited. Extreme Moisture Mousse. High performance defining styler. Detangles, conditions, defines, and shines in one step for all curl types. Today's lip moisturizer. EOS Super Balm. That's exactly what it says. Oh, Super Balm. Okay. Here is freshly washed, conditioned, and detangled. I am so, y'all. My favorite brand came out with a new styler. And it just so happens to be another mousse. My favorite styler that they already produce is a mousse. And they came out with another mousse. I ran. I didn't walk. I ran as quickly as I could. Okay. I do not have anything on my strands. Just water. Moisture Rich Gel to Foam Styler. Moisture Rich Gel to Foam Styler. That's what it says. What's good? Banana goji berry. Holds like a gel, clumps like a foam. Oh, sounds like my type of thing. Let's get into it. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong. Interesting smell. I am loving this so far. The smell is very pleasant to me. I find this fragrance very pleasant. It says banana. What does it say? It says banana and goji berry. I don't know what a goji or hoji. I'm sure I'm saying it incorrectly, but I don't know what that berry is. But the banana, it has a light banana scent. I'm not a banana person. I am a banana pudding minus the banana type of person. Or I'll never get a banana flavored candy. I won't just pick up a banana and just start eating it on my own. So banana isn't particularly my scent of choice for anything ever, but this smells nice though. It doesn't, I don't know if the berry kind of helps balance it out, but this smells really nice to me. And I am loving the way that it applies. It really does sort of convert to a gel once it coats your strands. It's still foamy like a mousse. Okay, I can tell that I will have volume with this. I think I'm gonna add a little more. It says be generous, so I'm gonna be generous. I like it so far. I like the application. Really like the application. Oh, yeah, that's it. I applied a little more, and I think I like it more like that. I like it more with a couple extra pumps. Let's finish. I put your words on your life this time. And hope you say like. I'm gonna take this all the way up to my roots today. All the way up to the roots. I really like the smell. It is a really pleasant smell to really pleasant fragrance to me. I'm enjoying it. It has a banana undertone, but it still has a really clean and fresh base to it. Does that make sense? The base is kind of clean. The base is really clean and fresh, but it has like a faint banana. Yeah. And that's how I would describe the smell. Consistency, I love it. I love the consistency. I love how fast I'm able to apply it. That's one of the reasons I love foams. The application time is unmatched. I cannot apply any styler to my hair as fast as I apply a mousse, foam, what have you. For those of you that have been here for a while, you know that the Doux is my favorite brand. When it comes to stylers for my hair, the Doux produces my favorite stylers for my hair. You know how I feel about this. This has been my favorite styler since for a very long time. Since I'm very familiar with the Mousse Def Texture Foam, first thing, it's not sticky. Let's talk about how they differ. I would say my hair is damp right now. It's not fully dry. When I'm applying a foam, I don't like to apply it to dripping wet hair because I feel like none of the product actually gets a chance to hold on to my hair. So when I'm applying a foam styler or when I'm applying a mousse, I always apply it to damp hair. A couple notable differences is the smell. The smells are completely different between the two products. I actually enjoy the smell on both of them. The Mousse Def Texture Foam, I would say a more playful, a more fun, a more youthful scent to it, in my opinion. And then the Chief Rocka also has a sweet smell, but it's more so, I would say, instead of the playfulness, it gives a cleaner, fresher, a clean or fresh base. I would say it's cleaner and fresh. Yeah, I do enjoy the smell of both of them, so I just really don't know what to make of this right now. I am so excited to see it dry. Like, what can I expect? I guess, okay. So, the questions that are running through my head right now. How is this going to dry? How is it going to dry? What level of hold am I going to receive? How long will it take to dry? Because that's important to me. I have a lot of stuff to do on a daily basis, so I really don't have time to sit and let my hair dry. I mean, I really don't have time to sit while my hair takes forever to dry. For smell, scent, fragrance, I'm gonna have to give this like a 9.5. I did enjoy the smell. Okay. Have one side done. That was fast. It took probably about, I don't know, 15 minutes, if that. That's one of the things that I love about mousse stylers. The application time, so fast. So fast. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish up the other side, and then we'll come back and talk about it. Okay, we are back. Styler has been applied to my entire head. I think I'm going to start out drying with my diffuser just to sort of jumpstart the drying process. And then after that, I will, after the diffuser, I'll probably sit under my hooded dryer. I'm going to dry my hair, and then tomorrow we'll stretch it out to see the final results. It went from a light, airy feeling substance to almost a slippery jelly-like substance. Let's talk about how it dried down in the hold. That was probably what I was looking forward to the most. Feels like no hold, but it has a different weight. My hair has a different weight to it than when I used the other, like the Mousse. It feels heavier now. Does that make sense? It's heavier. Let's stretch it out.
Wrap this up.
Look at all these haters surrounding me every day. I swear, biggest hater just entered the room, as you all see. I think I'm gonna take his hater, y'all. Here you come.
Come on, friends, be pushing.
I'm pushing what? Where I gotta be and what? Why I'm the only one that don't know I gotta be somewhere at a certain time? Why I'm the only one that know I'm supposed to be somewhere at a certain time? Because where's we been going? Because what is this? Because am I the only one being rushed like this? Why? Again, I don't know what type of magic they're doing down there at that Doux lab, but when I used the Chief Rocka and my hair was fully dry, my hair had almost no hold. My hair had a really, really light hold. It had a different weight to it than what I'm used to feeling when using the Mousse Depth Texture Foam. So there definitely was a lot of differences. They're both foams, they're both from the same line, but there were a lot of differences between the two foams. And I enjoyed them both. Was it worth it? Yes. You get 8 fluid ounces in here. One use, and this is how much I have used. At this point, I've been wearing this wash and go for about 3 days. This is exactly what it says, extreme moisture. My hair felt very hydrated, very moisturized, I mean, it still does. It's day 1, 2, 3. At this point, so not getting a full 7 days out of the cheap Rocka wash and go, it didn't bother me any. Not one bit. That was not a deal breaker for me. I'll probably be pulling it up into a puff tomorrow. So I'll wear my puff for a couple of days before I wash it out. So I would say I'll be able to get about 5 days out of this wash and go. I'm wondering, since it's so moisturizing, I'm wondering if it would pair well with any of the Doux other products. First, we'll see if they mix well, but if they do mix, I'll definitely be trying these together. I might try mixing these two together because these two give a very different hold. Based off the label, this styler focuses on moisture, so I was not expecting a tremendous amount of hold from it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all the things. Turn on your notifications. Please do all of those things for me, and I will see you next time. So since this is extreme moisture and this is extreme hold, if we put them together, what do we get? I don't know, but we're gonna find out next time. Now, I'm not even going to hold you. When I stretched my hair the first day, anytime, because the hold was so soft.